Python series. Welcome to my YouTube channel named Control Intelligence. In last video, we have seen what are strings and how to concatenate them. Guys, in this video, we are going to see what are variables and how to work with them. As I have promised, I am going to give a big shout out to Nishant Thorat as he is the winner of previous quiz question. Now, to see more quiz questions and to begin with variables, stay tuned with me.
Let's start with variables now. Guys, what are variables? In algebra, we always deal with them. Without variables, algebra is nothing. Now let's understand what are variables. Now I'll show you. Variables are nothing but reserved memory locations to store values. We can simply store any value in variables. Now in Python, we deal with variables by using assignment operators. Let's do one thing. Let's type let a variable be x or a is equal to, let's put a value that is 6, press enter. Guys, here's a change. Every time we used to write something in editor and press enter, we used to get some output, but here first time it occurred that we did not get any output. It means that the value 6 is stored in the variable or a box or a container named x. Now whenever we want to call it, we just need to press x and then press enter. See, we got the output that is 6. Now let's deal with it. Let's press x plus 8. Enter. Yes, it remembers the variables. So 6 plus 8 gives us 14. Now let's try with one more variable, y. Y is equal to, let's take 3. Press enter. Same, no output here. It just stores the value. Then let's do x plus y. Then press enter. We got 9, right? 3 plus 6 is 9. Now let's do one thing. Let us tell Python to remember this result. That is, remember the result of x plus y. That is 9. We simply can do 9 plus y, whatever, and press enter. Yes, we got the output. But guys, I am a bit lazy. I don't want to remember the previous values. So we have a shortcut for it. We can simply take underscroll plus x and enter. Guys, you can see underscroll refers to previous output, that is 12. 12 plus value of x is 6, that is 18. Guys, but I have changed my mind. I want to change the value of x now. Can I do that? Let's try. X, now x should be equal to 9. Let's say x is 9 now. Press enter. Okay, Python remembered it. Now let's press y plus x. Then press enter. Oh shit, right. We got the value 9 plus 3, that is 12. Now let's press underscroll plus x and press enter. That is 21, right? 12 plus 9 gives 21. Guys, variable, we can define variable by anything. Let's take one more variable, abc. Let's take abc is equal to 7. Press enter. Yes, Python accepts it. Then we have to print abc. Let's press abc and enter. Yes, 7. Guys, we can play with variables, but do you know, does Python accept every number or every letter as a variable? No, Python does not accept. Python has some rules for variable. That is, a variable name should not begin with a special character except underscore. We can begin a variable name with underscore. We cannot use special characters, that is spaces, colons, anything between the variable name. And we cannot simply include numerical values, that is 2, 3, 1, 2, etc. in the starting of the variable name. We can simply take, let's take ctrl is equal to 7 or 6. Press enter. It accepts it. But we cannot take 7 ctrl is equal to 7 and press enter. Python says invalid syntax. And Python also does not accept keywords as variable names. But how many keywords are there in Python? Let's take it from idle itself. Guys, for your information, Python has around about 35 keywords. let's ask Python which are these keywords. Guys, I want help from Python, so I will ask Python to provide me the help. Let's type help and let's type HELP, help, and give brackets and press enter. Oh, see, Python provided me help. Now we have to search for keywords. Let's type double quotes and keywords. See, this is the list of keywords which we cannot use as a variable name. These are special meanings. As I told you, print is one of them. You can locate print, right? You can locate print and take its meaning as it's a inbuilt name. So we cannot use these names specially as a variable name. We can do many things with Python. You can ask for its tutorial too. See, they have provided you with the website. That is, this is the website. So you can go here and you can officially learn what is the tutorial of Python idle. Now guys, this was all about today's video. I will continue with variables of next part in next video.
Guys,
thank you.
how was this video? In next video, we are going to see more about variables. Guys, I am going to give you this quiz question. So here's your quiz question. Do like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and more content. Stay home, stay well.